Hey everybody, welcome back to GearBrains Facebook Live. I'm Lauren Barrick.
I'm Mark Westlake.
We are
Switching sides today.
switching sides here at GearBrains offices in New York. And today we're going to be talking to you guys about voice smart assistants. And we have to be careful here. There's going to be a lot of slip-ups for sure. Because what we're going to do is actually talk with them, and we're going to show you a little bit about what they can do. We know you hear a ton, probably every day in some capacity, about these new devices that you can talk to, and you can order around and have them tell you the weather, or tell you the news, or unlock your door, or order you an Uber. They can do incredible things today. And they're becoming more ubiquitous. There are millions of these devices in homes today and growing. The three big names that most people hear about a lot would be the smart assistant that is out from Amazon, who is circling around, whose name is, the minute I say it's going to wait, Alexa. And then the second one is Google Assistant, which of course by its name you can tell comes from Google. And the third big one is a smart assistant that you probably played around with if you were an Apple user as one of the first ones, which was Siri, because it was embedded in your phone. But now Siri has sort of had the gate unlocked, and she's showing up in lots of devices and speakers. And there are many other smart assistants. There's Samsung's Bixby. There's a ton. Microsoft has Cortana. But we're really going to talk today about the three. I wouldn't say that they're the three biggest, but they're the three that we're going to talk about today. So that's going to be Amazon's, Google's, and Apple's.
Probably, I guess you could say it's the first three. You know, I know Cortana might argue with us on that.
I think Cortana's going to argue with that.
You know, but I would say the three most widely used.
Biggest name recognition.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Yeah.
So, and what's interesting, what we're going to take you through is, and we have some examples here of these little devices. Each one has kind of a special little, feature, I guess, or reputation, you could say, because it is interesting that, we talk about Siri, how, it was one of the first ones on the market, but what's interesting was, Apple being such a closed system, they opened it up, and then all of a sudden now you're seeing, Siri went into, to computers, and it's into...
And its own devices. It's got a little home, the way that Amazon and Google built a little home for their people.
Right.
Now there's the, they've got their own speaker. But Siri didn't have any of that. Siri was sort of
and a lot of these, and it's funny how Google and Amazon have taken it to another level and started baking it into other devices. The same with Microsoft, and now you got Samsung, as we mentioned, with Bixby, that is now being integrated into appliances and TVs and so forth by Samsung.